Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus. I am here at 3524 West Shore Road, Unit 807 here in Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a second floor, one bedroom, one bathroom condo. And we're going to begin our walkthrough of this condo as you enter through your main entryway. So welcome. As you enter, you'll be greeted by this large living space here, carpet flooring throughout. It's the same flooring you'll see in your bedroom, wide open windows, lots of sunlight coming in. Got some good views as well through those windows. Plenty of outlets aligning the walls in this living area for all kinds of electronics. It's a wide open space, so plenty of opportunity for all kinds of furniture setups. Should have plenty of room for any size entertainment system, any size sofa, whatever you would like to put in here. I think you have plenty of area for all kinds of setups. So that entryway right over there is your main entryway into the unit. As you see, connects over to the kitchen area, which we'll check out next. We got plenty of outlets, a great open space here as you enter. And as we make our way to the kitchen, just want to point out this nice bar table over here, perfect for a couple stools, so it can act as your main dining table. But let's go ahead and check out the kitchen space. So, kitchen features a brand new vinyl wood flooring. You have plenty of cabinetry, as you can see, down below and up above. So plenty of kitchen storage. Along with that, all stainless steel appliances in this kitchen. This, of course, includes the stainless steel dishwasher, single bin sink, medium-sized refrigerator, glass top stove and oven, and the built-in microwave. So a completely hooked up kitchen here in this condo. Perfect. Next, let's check out the bedroom. Bedroom's right around the corner to the right side. Again, carpet flooring just like the living space. Wide open window, of course, plenty of sunshine. You do have your own closet space, of course, in this bedroom. A good amount of outlets once again. And recommended bed set, I think you could fit a queen in here with no problem. Queen bed set or smaller, I think is a perfect fit for this bedroom. So have at it. Obviously, queen bed set is a great size to have. And again, will beautifully fit in this bedroom. Go ahead and check out the other side real quick, just from this corner so you can see where the closet space is located, right in the corner. Awesome. Lastly, let's check out the bathroom. So, bathroom houses a tile flooring. You have a full tub and shower along the right side of the bathroom, hooked up, ready to go. Your sink vanity is housed in the corner, right near the entryway into the bathroom. And another great addition with this condo is that you have in-unit washer and dryer hooked up, ready to go in this condo right in the bathroom. Beautiful. So once again, this is 3524 West Shore Road, Unit 807 here in Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. This way you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we post on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.